To visualize the player on the screen, you need to draw it on the canvas. Inside the start game function, call the draw method of your player object. And our player object has, or it was this one, the newly instantiated object named player from the player class with the use of keyword new. So we access that object and then interpolate the method draw. And again, draw is a custom function if I am correct. This one. So wait, is it? No. So I take that back. Draw method is not actually a custom function but a built-in function, but it can be a custom function as you can see here, I think. But my point is that it has written our newly player object and interpolated the draw method, which will render our player. As you can see, the instruction says to visualize the player on the screen. So that would be it. Nice.